I know, I already know. You don't have time to learn another marketing platform. But hear me out on this one. We're going to talk about Pinterest. Wait a minute. Don't scroll. Hear me out. So you might already be thinking, listen, girl, I don't have time. I want to learn it. I've heard about it. It seems really dope, but like I literally do not have the time to learn another platform. And I get it. I get it. But here's the thing. Pinterest can actually start saving you a lot of time in the long run. Because of the fact that you probably have already created so much content or products, you have so much in your arsenal that you're just trying to get, or you're hoping that more people can see it. And by leveraging Pinterest, that's how more people can see it. Pinterest is the perfect platform for your evergreen content, to repurpose content to. Like, you don't have to sit here and create all this new content. No, you're going to be able to maximize the content you've already created, and that's going to save you so much time and not drain you like a lot of the social media platforms do. There's also a lot of good scheduling tools that make it easy for you to basically set it and forget it when it comes to Pinterest. So you don't have to show up every single day physically to get your content in front of more people. No, they can just find it via a search engine for weeks, months, and years to come. And there's so much value in that. So if there's one platform you actually want to find the time to learn and start leveraging it, it's Pinterest. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm Presh Rogers, and I help online businesses learn how to leverage Pinterest and drive more people and profit to their online business.